Morning. It's September 1st. There's my dog at this school that I used to go to school. It was built in the 50s, I believe, 54 or something. And I'm hoping to see what I find here. Like I said, I went to school here. I'm gonna go check over there where we used to play marbles. You know, I think most of this has remained the same. There's some bush in the back there, some trees where kids used to play. I remember playing. We used to have curling rinks here and baseball diamonds, so there should be lots of goodies here. I'll get back to you. 10-4 over and out. Okay, finds have been few and far between in this park. There's my dog running over there. Yeah, I did find something here. Lift that up. Looks like it's a nickel. It was in the 67 range, my target ID number, so I thought it was a pull cap. So there you go. Got myself a nickel. 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I'm back. Found that nickel just over yonder. Nice decent signal. Let's see if we can dig this one live. It's a cool morning today. Perfect day for digging. Let's see if it's in this clump here. It is. There it is. It's a penny. I'll take it. Like I said, this park here is a lot of junk. So I'm pleased to find a penny, a nickel. I got a few pennies, but things are getting better, I guess, with signals. We'll see what we find over here in the bush. Like I said, I went to school here, I don't know, 40 years ago. And I remember playing in here, so we'll see what we got. 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I was getting a real bouncy signal. 70s all the way up to like in the 90, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 type thing. Pull it away, pull it into it, hit like a 92. It's kind of interesting number. Let's see what we got here. I don't see any signs of coin yet. Just look for like rust and stuff, right? So I like going slow at this. So it's in this clump here. It's in this clump here. Like, ooh, look at this! It's shiny. It's a nickel. It's my third nickel. 1978. Jeez, those were high numbers for that. But I will take it. 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I got an 87 on this single. Let's see what it is. Dug it. Dug it. There it is. There it is. I pulled it apart and it's looks like an American. Thought I saw a Lincoln there. Yeah, there's the Lincoln Memorial. So another American penny. I think that's a few American pennies I got today. A couple nickels, a bunch of junk. It's starting to drizzle here a bit, so we'll see how we go here. There's my puppy. Hey dude, touch. You get a big smile on your face. Hi girl, yeah. Yeah, my loyal service dog, hey? Yeah. What a good girl. She does me right, yeah. Digging with Duchess, right girl? 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I got an 88, 89. Duchess came over and see what I'm doing here. It's starting to rain here. Sucks. Don't want to go home. Keep digging here. I'm addicted. I'm hooked. Sounds like a coin. There it is. Let's see, it's right in this clump here. And I am correct. There it is. It's a penny. All right. So another penny. Dirty one. Let you know if it's an old one. 10-4 over and out. I didn't videotape this. Thought for sure it was a bottle cap because of the when I got my pro pointer and I went down and scanned the area, it seemed like much bigger than a coin. So, but I figure I'm gonna dig it, and I'm glad I did. Saw all these videos online of guys finding little toy guns, and I just found my first toy gun. That's awesome. Little cap gun. I'll clean it up and give you a better picture, but it's a revolver. Little Colt or something. Colt replica. Neat. That's sweet. So 10-4 over and out. My first pistol. Awesome. Okay, so I got like a nice 88, 89 signal. It's telling me it was deep. So I went deep. Big root there. Throw that out. It's in here. On this side. Where is it? There it is. It's a penny. It's a penny. There you go. Penny. Right beside is the penny plug that it comes out of. There you go. The penny it was laying up against. Neato. 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I dug this signal. It was in the 90s, and it said it's deep. Couldn't find it with the pro pointer, so I dug, and there it is, stuck on this side. That's why I was getting such a weird bouncy signal. See right there? Pull that off the wall. I must have shanked it a bit. 1977 penny. Neat. Curious if there's anything else in there. Nope. That was it. It was right on its side. Cool. 10-4 over and out. I'm back, as the saying goes. And I got another decent signal, 88. Let's see what we've got here. There it is. You can see it already. It's an American penny. Right in there. Boink. Popped out of there. Lots of American pennies here. How come no quarters or dimes or nickels? But I'll find them if they're here. Take my smoke out of my mouth. 10-4 over and out. Okay, so I got another 88, 90 signal. Found a few more pennies since then. I have to say, revealing pennies are pretty boring. So I'm hoping for some clad or silver eventually here. But like I always say, it's exciting just revealing anything. So right now these numbers aren't specific to anything really. Rip this grass apart. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. It's a penny. Put that back in there nicely. Another penny. 10-4 over and over. Oh, I gotta take a breath. I think I may have found a ring. Been digging a lot of pool calves because that's what you do, just in case you strike something like that. Where is it? My finger here, right there. Looks like a tiny ring. Pull that out. It is a tiny ring. Sorry, let me go over here to the shovel. Let me put this back to normal. And there you go. Another ring. A ring a week, I find. Looks like another junker, but gotta dig everything. Cool, I will clean it up and put a better picture on my post. That's sweet. A ring. Awesome. 10-4 over and over. So I think I found something that I might have been looking for. It's in this little clump right here. I haven't revealed it yet, but it looks neat. It's a quarter. It is a quarter. Pop this off. Boink. Give it a little rub, I guess. It's a quarter. Awesome. And the signal was in the 90s. Looks like I hit it there. Can't see what date it is, but I will let you know. Let's see what the side looks like. Yeah, I'll let you know. 10-4 over and out. That's cool. Okay, so I had a decent, well, I had a iffy signal until I dug it. And nice solid signal now. Let's see what we got. I'm excited about this one. Oh, it's a penny. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Excitement goes to disappointment. Another penny. 10-4 over and over. Okay, it's starting to rain again. But I think I may have found another ring. Tiny little brass one. Could be just a washer or something. Let's pluck this out and see if get a better fix on what it is. Looks like another ring. Two rings today. Both junkers. Okay. Well, I don't think it's a ring. Now that I look closer. But anyways, 10-4 over and out. Okay, make a short little wind up. So go in here. I found this plane the other day. I dug for an hour before work. That was the only thing that was considered interesting. It's a German, what's it, the Hornet? The Tornado. The A161 Tornado, German Army. See the Iron Cross on it. Today I got myself a little toy gun, which is cool. My first toy gun. And one ring. And I'm not sure about this. Most likely not a ring, but it's round like a ring. Quarter, 2 nickels, and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28 pennies. There you go. Decent dig. Not that exciting, but a few interesting finds. 10-4 over and out.